Hello guys! For today's vlog, andito kami sa West Metro Medical Center. At it's already 2:30. Ngayon lang po kami magla-lunch at sabay na din ito ng merienda. Grabe guys, yung lunch namin, pansit canton at saka spicy bulalo lang. Yan lang po ang kinakain namin kasi wala po kaming pera. And kasama ko ngayon si Naisa, si April, at si Ate Aisa, and we are Team Medrep. And that's all guys, our lunch, and hopefully nagustuhan nyo ang aming vlog for today. Please comment and like our videos. Thank you!